Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Duo, the channel where learning English is simple, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Leo. Hello, everyone. Whether you're listening at home, at work, or on your way somewhere, we're very happy you're here with us today.
It's great to be here with you, Leo. You look very relaxed today.
Thank you, Emily. I feel relaxed. I slept well, I had my morning coffee, and I'm ready to talk. How are you today?
I'm feeling hopeful today.
Hopeful? That's a nice word. What does hopeful mean?
Hopeful means feeling positive about the future, feeling that good things are coming.
I like that. And it's a perfect feeling for our topic today.
Yes, it is. Today, we are talking about starting a new year and setting simple goals.
That's a great topic. Many people feel confused about goals.
Exactly. But before we begin, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Mr. Duo.
And don't forget to like this episode. It really helps our channel grow.
And share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
Thank you so much. Okay, Leo, let's talk about goals.
Let's do it. Emily, do you usually make New Year goals?
Yes, I do, but I keep them very simple.
That's smart. In the past, I made very big goals.
Big goals can feel exciting, but also stressful.
Exactly. Last year, I wanted to wake up early every day, exercise daily, read books, and learn new skills.
That's a lot.
Yes, and I couldn't do all of it, so I felt disappointed.
That's a very common feeling.
This year, I decided to change my approach.
What did you do differently?
I chose one small goal. I want to walk for 20 minutes every day.
That's a great goal. It's clear and realistic.
Thank you. And I can say, I have walked every day this week.
Great example of the present perfect tense.
Yes, the action started in the past and continues now.
My goal is also simple. I want to improve my English speaking confidence.
That's perfect for our listeners.
I practice speaking every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes.
So you can say, I have practiced speaking every day.
Exactly.
Emily, do you think it's okay if people fail their goals?
Yes, absolutely. Failure is part of learning.
I agree. Last year, I didn't achieve all my goals, but I learned a lot.
That's the important part. Progress is better than perfection.
Very true. And learning English is the same.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue.
Dear listeners, if you are listening to this podcast, you are already improving your English.
And you should be proud of yourself.
Before we end, we have a question for you.
Yes, please tell us in the comments, what is one simple goal you have this year?
You can write, my goal is to.
Or this year I want to.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
This was Mr. Duo.
Keep learning,
Keep practicing.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.